Parts required to assemble the inlet grating include 2 short bolts, 4 washers, 2 nuts, and a rectangle piece of wire mesh. Drill 2 holes into the top of the inlet large enough to fit the bolts through.
The inlet grating should be slightly longer than the inlet section. Make sure it is not too long so that there is room for the fire to sit at the base of the elbow. The inlet grating should come down about 1/2 to 3/4 of the height of the inlet. The gap below the grating is where the air is directed to the base of the fire. Roll up the inlet grating, overlapping a few of the slots for space to insert the bolts.
Place a washer onto each of the bolts. Insert the bolts with washers into the drilled holes. Next, roll the wire mesh into a cylinder and align with the bolts. Place a washer on the bottom side of the bolt and hold in place. Thread the nut onto the bolt and hand tighten.
When connecting the inlet grating, it should not extend out past the outer lip of the inlet. Connect the inlet ducting section to the elbow section. Next, connect the outlet ducting to the elbow section. When the inlet grating is assembled, advance to the Assemble a Brick Rocket Stove video.